OneHarmony is a promising blockchain project that aims to revolutionize the way data is shared and managed in a decentralized manner. With its focus on privacy, security and scalability, OneHarmony offers a platform for developers to build and deploy decentralized applications that offer real-world solutions to various challenges faced by individuals and organizations. One of the key strengths of OneHarmony is its ability to handle high-volume transactions while maintaining low latency. This makes it an ideal platform for applications that require fast and secure data transfer, such as supply chain management and financial services. Another positive aspect of OneHarmony is its focus on privacy. With its advanced privacy features, OneHarmony ensures that users have complete control over their personal data, while also preventing malicious actors from accessing sensitive information. In terms of scalability, OneHarmony utilizes a unique consensus algorithm that is designed to handle a large number of transactions and nodes. This enables the platform to grow and scale as more users and applications are added. Investing in OneHarmony is a great opportunity for individuals who are interested in the future of blockchain technology and decentralized applications. With its strong focus on privacy, security, and scalability, OneHarmony is well positioned to become a leading player in the decentralized ecosystem. If you like our clips, give us a like and subscribe that the next time we post something you will receive notification.